Atishi will be the next Chief Minister of Delhi, viewers. That's the news that we are breaking right now. You heard it first here. The name will be Atishi, no longer just the front runner. That's the news. It's Atishi as the new Chief Minister of Delhi. It had come down to two names. Atishi had pulled ahead, and now that is going to be the final name that will be announced a short while from now. My colleague Amit is with us. Amit, we can confirm it is Atishi who will be the Chief Minister of Delhi.
Yes, Preeti. As you know, this is a big stamp on India Today news break. We had told that Atishi is the front runner for the CM's post in the national capital. And as we said, you know, everything has happened as discussed. Number one, you had Sandeep Pathak briefing the MLAs. Number two, the Chief Whip of Delhi Assembly, Dilip Pandey, putting a proposal that Arvind Kejriwal will put forward the name
Amit Bhardwaj, we're going to try and reconnect to Amit. But, you know, this is exactly what we told you, viewers. It is Atishi who is now going to be the interim caretaker Chief Minister of Delhi. Now, will elections happen as soon as November that Arvind Kejriwal had asked for or had pleaded when he gave in his resignation or said he's going to give his resignation? Not quite, because it seems the EC is not ready. So you're going to have a 5-month-long Chief Minister, which is more than the term of Sushma Swaraj, because the shortest term for a Chief Minister, and it's strange because she's also, or coincident at that she's also a woman, was a 3-month term of Sushma Swaraj. And in all probability, if elections are not announced in less than 3 months, Atishi's tenure will overshoot that of the shortest tenure of a Delhi CM under Sushma Swaraj. I want to go back right now to Amit Bhardwaj joining us for more. Amit, take it away. Take us through on how Atishi's name was announced, because the Legislative Party was very short and quick. You had at one end Sandeep Pathak, who came in, then Dilip Pandey mooted the motion that Arvind Kejriwal will decide, and now we do know that it's going to be Atishi.
Yes, Preeti, and everything what is happening in this particular meeting is happening in the way we had broken the story on India Today. Now, Arvind Kejriwal is briefing the MLAs in the Legislative Party meeting. So you had Dilip Pandey putting the proposal that Arvind Kejriwal will put forward name of his successor. Arvind Kejriwal took Atishi's name, and as we speak, Arvind Kejriwal is briefing all the MLAs about his decision of resignation and why he picked up Atishi as his successor. So that is happening right now inside the meeting, and I believe as that particular address by Arvind Kejriwal will be over, you will see further commotion at this spot where I'm standing right now, and you will see Saurabh Bhardwaj coming to that particular podium that's kept right in front of the 6 Flagstaff Marg residence, which happens to be the Delhi Chief Minister's residence. And after that, Saurabh Bhardwaj will make that official announcement, possibly along with the Chief Whip of the party, Legislative Party in Delhi, that is Dilip Kumar Pandey. Or maybe Sandeep Pathak could be also part of that particular delegation which will come out, and they will make the formal announcement. But we are bringing every news break which is happening inside the Legislative Party meeting right now. Dilip Pandey putting forward the proposal that Arvind Kejriwal will take name of his successor, and that has happened. Arvind Kejriwal took Atishi's name, and Arvind Kejriwal's proposal has been passed by the MLAs who were part of the legislative meeting, which essentially means the new leader of the Legislative Party of Delhi is Atishi. This means Atishi is the successor of Arvind Kejriwal. She will take over as Chief Minister of Delhi. And remember, we told on India Today to our viewers that Atishi is the front runner in this particular race to become Chief Minister. So she will carry forward the agenda and ideology of Arvind Kejriwal's social welfare schemes, and that will to ensure that it remains in continuation, no diversion is in the agenda of the AAP government in Delhi.
Amit, what are your
has
sources
been
telling you?
picked
Any
up as the
dissent?
personal
Any
choice of
dissent
Arvind
at
Kejriwal.
all from the leaders, be it the PAC? Because, you know, my sources are telling me even during the PAC, there were one or two leaders who were apprehensive on Atishi's name. Was there any dissent? Give us the inside story.
Well, Preeti, you know, as we had told, that there will be leaders who would not be happy with the meteoric rise of Atishi as a cabinet minister, somebody becoming the senior minister in the government, getting prominence in the media, taking care of the communication strategy when the party was in crisis. But, you know, in any party, be it Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party or Aam Aadmi Party, you have hardly any scope left when the High Command has already decided the name of the next chief minister. In this particular case, you know, every MLA that gets elected in the national capital do understand the fact that they are winning elections after elections on face of Arvind Kejriwal. So you cannot defy the choice of the party chief and the current chief minister of Delhi. And that is why everything was planned and executed in this manner. You had Sandeep Pathak, the organizational secretary of the Aam Aadmi Party, briefing the MLAs. After that, Chief Whip of Delhi Legislative Assembly speaking, putting forward that proposal that Arvind Kejriwal will take name of his successor. Arvind Kejriwal had put forward proposal of Atishi as the new legislative party leader, which has been unanimously, you know, decided. No opposition from the MLAs during the support of voting, if we can call it one. You know, and Arvind Kejriwal's proposal that Atishi should be elected as the new leader of the legislative party has been already passed. Arvind Kejriwal is now, you know, addressing all these MLAs of the legislative party inside the camp office of CM House. And after this particular brief is over, if at all, you know, if at all, there are certain MLAs, if they have any concerns, that will be also dealt with. But there's another news break that we have is that as Atishi gets picked up as the Chief Minister of Delhi, you will have two cabinet ministers who will be inducted in the Delhi cabinet. One Dalit leader is set to return to the Delhi cabinet. And so far, there has been no Dalit minister in the national capital after Rajkumar Anand stepped down. So we'll have a return of a Dalit MLA as the minister in the Delhi cabinet. Preeti.
Two cabinet ministers, but all of that is for later. Right now, the spotlight is only on one person, and that is Atishi.